Welcome everybody. We've been given this question. Find the area of the shaded triangle such that the square is of area 9 square units. So let me draw the figure first. All right. Each of these squares, the area of the square is given to be as 9 square units, and that means each would be of side 3 units. Now, what I wish to do is I would like to complete this figure on the x and y axis. Let this point be C. Now I want to have a point here D. Now the given is, since the area of each square, right? So you have a square here, you got a square here, you have a square here. So the area of the square, each square, is 9 square units. So this means if this point is 0, 0, this side is going to be 3, 0, this is going to be 6, 0, this point is going to be 9, 0. Fair enough, right? And this point A is going to be 0, 3. And I want to foremost, step 1, find the equation of line AC. This is my requirement. Okay. Now this is of the form y negative y1 is equal to m times x negative x1. Okay. Where m is equal to y2 negative y1 over x2 negative x1. This is the slope formula. So A is 0, 3. You see, A is 0, 3 and C is 9, 0. I take this as x1, y1, x2 and y2. So this is going to be 0, negative y1 is 3 and x2 is 9. So negative 3 over 9, which means 1 over 3. Slope is negative 1 over 3 for the line AC. Now the line is passing through 9, 0, right? Since the line passes through 9, 0, we have y negative, this is x1, y1. I'm taking it as 0 is equal to negative 1 over 3 x negative 9. So this is y is equal to negative x over 3 positive 9 over 3, which means y is equal to negative x over 3 positive 3. So that's the equation of AC. Equation of AC, line AC. Now let us find the equations. Okay, this is step 2. Find the equation of BC. Now how do we do that? Now you go to the point D. You see the D is exactly at the intersection of the square and the triangle's hypotenuse, because this is given to be as 90 degrees. Now this point for the x-axis is 6, this point for the y-axis is 3. So we can get the slope of BC is going to be, say, let me take it as say m2 is equal to y2 negative y1 divided by x2 negative x1. Now the point that we will consider is 6 comma 3 and 9 comma 0. So I take this as x1 y1 and x2 and y2. So this is going to be 0 negative 3 divided by 9 negative 6, which is negative 3 over 3, which is equal to negative 1. Okay, the slope is negative 1. Now the line is passing through 9 comma 0. Okay, since line passes through what, 9 comma 0, so you have y negative. If I take x1 y1, 0 is equal to slope is negative 1 x negative 9. So this is y is equal to negative x positive 9. This is the equation of BC. Equation of BC. So let me write this down here. BC is y is equal to negative x positive 9. My A is AC is y is equal to negative x over 3 positive 3. Okay, fair enough. Right, we are on the right track. Now let me find the equation of AB. Right, so how are we going to do that? Now you see AB is perpendicular to AC. Okay, we have AB perpendicular to AC. So therefore slope of AB is negative 1 over slope of AC. Am I right? So what is the slope of AC? Negative 1 over 3. So negative 1 over 3, which means positive 3. So therefore slope of AB is positive 3. Right? The line is passing through 0 comma 3. Okay? Since AB passes through 0 comma 3, we have y negative. I take this as x1 y1 is equal to m times x negative x1. So y negative 3 is equal to slope is 3, x1 is 0. So y is equal to 3x positive 3. So this is the equation. I'm going to take this as 3. I'm going to take this as 2. So I'm going to solve 2 and 3 so that I can get the point B. Right? Solving 2 and 3. So what is my 2? Y is equal to negative x positive 9. And my 3 is y is equal to 3x positive 9. So I'm going to be equating both. Equating 2 with 3. We get. So we get 3x positive 3 is equal to negative x positive 9. You move this, you get 3x positive x is equal to 9 negative 3. So 4x is equal to, this is 6. So therefore x is equal to 6 over 4. 2 divides here 3 times, 2 divides here 2 times. So x is equal to 3 over 2. X is equal to 3 over 2. You put this there. So therefore y is equal to, say 3 over 2 positive 9, which means 9 over 2 positive 9, which means 9 positive 18 over 2, which means 27 over 2. This is my y. Y is what? 27 over 2. X is 3 over 2. X is 3 over 2. Y is 27 over 2. Now, why did I do all this? Because I want to know the height here. So AB is the height. AB is what? Height of the triangle. Right. So A is 0 comma 3 and my B is 3 over 2, 27 over 2. So let me check that one more time. When I substitute x is equal to 3 over 2, 3 and 2, I substitute 3 over 2. I get 9 over 2, 18, 27. So if I had to substitute it here, what do I get? Negative 3 over 2, positive 2. I get 9 2s are 18, negative 3. So, okay, there's one issue here. see, this is actually 3 here, but I have taken it as 9. So that would be incorrect. So 3 3s are 9 over 2 and 3. So this is not 18. This is going to be 6, right? So it's going to be 15 over 2, right? 15 over 2. So that's the right point. 15 over 2 is the correct point. Okay, so this is 15 over 2. Correction. So we are going to have a point 3 over 2 comma 15 over 2. So let's find the distance. I take this as x1, y1, x2 and y2. So the distance formula is x2 negative x1 the whole square, y2 negative y1 the whole square. So 3 over 2 negative 0 the whole squared and 15 over 2 negative 3 the whole squared. So this is going to give me 9 over 4. This is going to give me 15 negative 6 over 2 the whole squared, which is equal to 9 over 4. Positive, you get 9 here. You get 9 squared. So it's going to be 9 squared over 4. So if I were to take 9 over 4 out, I get 1 positive 9 over 4. It can't be 9 over 4. It will be 9 alone, right? So I take 9 squared over 4, right? So 9 over 4 times 1 will give 9 over 4. This is 9 squared over 4. So this is what I get. So this is going to be root of 9 over 4. 9 added to 1 will give me 10. So this is going to be 90 over 4. Now 2 divides here 2 times. If I want to take the square root, I can take it. Probably what I will do, I will take it as root of 90 divided by root of 4. So I'll get a 2 there. Now root of 90 is going to be 9 multiplied with 10. So that's going to be 3 times root of 10 over 2. So this is going to be my height. Okay, that's one end. So now we have to find the base. Okay, the base is given by AC. So A is 0, 3 and my C is 9, 0. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So AC is going to be root of x2 negative x1 squared, y2 negative y1 squared. So root of x2 is 9 negative 0 squared and 0 negative 3 squared. It's going to be root of 9 squared is 81, 3 squared is 9. So you have root of 90. I can take 90 to be as 3 times root 10. So this is my base. Okay, so I got the base, I got the height. So area of the triangle. So therefore, area of triangle what? BAC is half times base times height. Right, half times. So what is the base we have got? The base is 3 times root 10. So 3 times root 10, and what is the height we have got? The height is 3 times root 10 over 2. So 3 times root 10 over 2. So this is going to give me 3 squared. Root 10 into root 10 is 10 divided by 2 into 2. 2 divides 5 times. So 5 times 9 divided by 2, right? So this is going to be 45 over 2 square units. Square units or 22.5 square units. So this is the area of the shaded triangle. So that's a solution for this question. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everybody.